Welcome to Midday Yoga. We'll close the eyes here and bring the hands to the low belly. We'll focus on our breath, so inhale, feel the belly expand and move your hands. Exhale, bring your belly button to your spine. Feel the expansion with the inhale and empty out, exhale. Deep, mindful breathing in this way helps to relieve stress, slow your heart rate, and connect you to the present moment. Inhale, extend low belly. Exhale, low belly to spine. Take another breath here on your own and gently release the hand to the tops of the knees, palms facing up. We'll move into some neck rolls here, gently relieving the tension that forms in our neck as we stare at screens all day long. So you can move from either side. Small circles here, you don't need a lot of movement. Keeping your eyes closed and focusing on your breath. We'll exhale, curl the chest. Inhale, bring the chest forward. Exhale, curl the chest. And inhale, bring the chest forward. We'll anchor our movement to the breath. So with each inhale, making a movement, and with each exhale, making another. Inhale, extend the chest. Now we'll exhale and move into some full body circles. So you're going to get into some Destiny's Child here. Maybe it feels really good to close the eyes. Moving in a way that feels natural to you is called intuitive movement. It helps to strengthen your mind-body connection and also to strengthen the connection with yourself. As we wind down these circles, we'll meet at the center, palms facing up on tops of the knees. We'll expand and contract the fingers, sending energy into our hands and stretching the small muscles. On your next close, hold as we move into a wrist stretch. Rotate the wrists so the back of the wrist rests on the top of the thigh. Bring the shoulders up to your ears, then relax them as you shift the weight from side to side. Lift through the crown of the head, keeping the spine long here. Inhale, arms to touch. Exhale, we twist to the right, keeping the spine long. Relax the shoulders away from your ears. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, relax the shoulders and twist. We'll do the same thing once more. This time, twist just a bit deeper. Connect with your breath. Inhale up. Exhale, twist a bit deeper. Inhale back to center. We'll bring the arms out long. We'll give yourself a hug, right arm on top of left. Now, option to keep the arms here or straighten at the arms, bend at the elbows, coming into eagle arms. No matter if you're an eagle armed or if you're hugging yourself, I want you to bring your chin to your chest. Feel the stretch that's created here in your upper back. We carry tension in our neck and shoulders and upper back, and this pose helps to release that tension. Release the arms and stretch the neck as you need to. We'll do the same thing once more, this time left arm on top. Again, you can stay in a hug or eagle arms. No matter where you are, lift the elbows, chin meets chest. With each inhale, create space in your upper back. With each exhale, release what you no longer need. Gently unwind the arms, bringing them to your sides and stretching your neck as you need to. We'll come into a nice stretch, so interlace the fingers behind the back. Let the chin meet the sky as we create a deep stretch in the front of the body. Inhale, fill up. Exhale, empty out. Take a big inhale here, and exhale, hold forward. Your hands can remain at the low back or extend for more of a shoulder stretch. Focus on your inhale here. Focus on the exhale. Take another inhale. Exhale, release. Do one last shoulder stretch as we settle in and finish our practice. With palms facing up, begin to roll your shoulders in a way that feels organic and natural to you, releasing any last bits of tension that you're holding on to. Palms facing up is a posture of receiving. Receive the good that is coming for the rest of the day. Receive any challenges that come your way and turn them into opportunities. Receive the abundance that is your birthright. You are much more powerful than you think. Now bring your hands to heart center. I invite you to take this practice with you off the mat and back into your workday. Be calm, be present, be centered. Namaste.